G'day there. Welcome to Pete's Hobby Railway. I'm Pete. The railway is being built on approximately 1 hectare of land located on the western extremity of Junee Township in the Riverina of New South Wales. There will be a circular railway around the whole property, roughly 600 metres in length, together with a reversing loop which will pass through a 2-road engine shed. Behind me is the Hunslet steam locomotive, which has been fully overhauled. The locomotive was built by Hunslet 1187 of 1915 and was the second locomotive built to the Inkerman Sugar Mill in North Queensland, which had been opened in the previous year. The locomotive worked at the mill for some 40 years under the name Torpedo, which I have decided to retain after the overhaul. After about 10-15 years in the park, Queens Beach, Bowen, the locomotive was rescued and brought down to Sydney for preservation. We are now looking at the overhauled 48 horsepower Ruston diesel locomotive. This had been built in 1955 and after a period of service in the UK and then in South Africa, came to the Bingara Sugar Mill again in basically North Queensland. After withdrawal, it was left lying fallow for quite a few years until I acquired the locomotive in 1955. After working at Loftus for the next 30 or so years, with the sale of the property, the locomotive was sent to K&H Ainsworth at Goulburn, where it also was stripped right down to its component parts, fully overhauled and reassembled. It's a 48 horsepower unit and has been comes with a electric starter motor, very handy in lieu of cranking a handle, and it has been modified from a usual open cab to a covered cab for the hot and sunny